So I had the mount on the truck. Shit. And it came off. The servo tape didn't hold it on, so I gotta find a better way to get it on there. So this is my first time out driving it. Track's a little narrow for this thing. It's definitely different. This is the part I wanted to get the onboard on, but dang it. So everybody keeps asking me if it's bigger. No, it's not. The cab is a little bit bigger, but the tracks and tub are the same as the old one. That's about full speed there. It's a little bit faster than walking speed. So my Blizzard's there. 3 other ones over there, and then Chuck has his race. We'll show you that later. So far Chuck's been the only one to get stuck. I think I'm the only other stock one, but Mike might be stock as well.
He's got a saber-tooth, Chris is totally stock.
Or Chris has got a stock one. Saber-tooth with Traxxas motors. Thing's a tank for sure. Aaron's right though, it makes a lot of noises that I don't know what they are. It makes me think something's wrong all the time. Driving it's okay though, I don't mind the dual stick. It's just, yeah, the filming part. Everything's going to be head cam until I do the saber-tooth adjustment. Yeah, so far you can color me impressed on this thing. I'm still in the first bat. We've done about half a beaver trail. I'm constantly playing with it. Almost full throttle most of the time. I'm going to look at those Traxxas motors on the way home if action's still open.
Really? That's all, right? Yeah, it's terrible. It's hard just to balance the sticks perfectly. Find if you use the trims, it'll help you a little bit.
You don't need a plow. Oh, that's awesome. One battery. Well, I just got done the first run with the Blizzard. That was awesome. Did about half a beaver trail because the other half is ORP technically, and the ORP still closed. And I don't go over there. Anyways, ran on a 2-cell Onyx 25C cheapo battery. It's brand new with the brand new Deans on it, and so is the truck, but it ran really efficiently. Yeah, 1 bat for the entire trail. No complaints. I didn't have much of a problem driving the sticks. No plow on it, as you've seen by the video. I will put the plow on and try it again at another time. I just figured it hasn't snowed in a few days, so it would be okay to run it without it. I'll try it in the driveway or on the sidewalk or at work. I'll do the walkway there if I decide to put the plow back on. Anyways, yeah, so I like it. Saber-tooth on the way so I can get to a pistol grip, and I can film with one hand and drive with one hand again, because the two-hand thing, that's a bit bothersome, but it's not hard to drive like that. It's just bothersome. All right, you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.